I'm going to share with you a tool to enhance your ability to focus, in theory, forever.
What if a free app could help you study smarter and not harder? It unlocks your mental blocks and boosting focus. Meet BrainBoost, a science-backed tool launched in May 2025 that's been quietly gaining traction. Within just a few months, 1,000 downloads on Android and iOS, helped by its unique blend of affirmation-based focus techniques and AI-assisted planning. This isn't just an app, it's a revolution for students everywhere. BrainBoost isn't your typical flashcard app. It uses stereo sound and theta wave affirmations to reprogram mental roadblocks and increase focus, a method supported by positive psychology research. At the same time, it tracks your study habits, identifies weak spots, and auto-generates personalized study plans, powered by proven Pomodoro-style sessions and active recall techniques. The creators launched the app in 2025 with a mission to help students struggling with stress and burnout. Instead of relying on ads or paywalls, BrainBoost is completely free. Funded sustainably by optional in-app upgrades. And the best part? It's fully functional offline, so you can study anywhere, anytime. Early feedback is inspiring. In a closed beta, students praised the affirmation-based focus boosts, and many reported going from C's to A's in just one semester. Some schools even debated restricting the app, not because it encouraged cheating, but because it was too effective. These real stories, combined with trending #StudySmart, sparked a viral movement. Behind the scenes, BrainBoost is rooted in neurofeedback science. It was developed by an interdisciplinary team of experts in EEG, psychology, and AI based in Germany. Their sister platform, Brain Assistant, highlights this expertise. Brain Assistant utilizes real-time EEG signals from specialized headbands to track your brain's activity, letting you visualize when you're in a state of deep focus or relaxation. The data from these signals guides you through personalized neurofeedback sessions, a form of training that strengthens your ability to concentrate and stay calm under pressure. It's a powerful combination of technology and psychology, backed by years of research into how the brain performs under stress and during deep thinking. BrainBoost's launch in 2025 was a game changer. It's free, works on any phone, and supports 20 languages. From high schoolers to college students, it's helping millions ace their exams and reduce stress.
Nice.
But even if you're not using this exact app, you can still put these powerful principles into action in your own study routine. Affirmation plus focus techniques. Your mindset matters. BrainBoost uses short affirmations and calming music to cut distractions and ease stress. Try choosing a motivational phrase like "I am prepared," "I am able," "I am focused," and combine it with relaxation tunes to help you concentrate. Personalized Pomodoro planning. Instead of cramming, break your study into 25-minute sessions with 5-minute breaks. The BrainBoost app guides you, or you can use a timer and a simple to-do list. Consistent breaks keep you motivated and help information sink in. Active recall plus progress tracking. To learn smarter, test yourself and track progress. BrainBoost highlights weak areas so you can focus on them. Flashcards or practice questions help move knowledge from short-term to long-term memory. Small wins add up. Could this be the tool that helps you get straight A's? Drop a comment below and tell me your greatest study challenge. Is it staying motivated, managing stress, or retaining information under pressure? If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date with more research-backed success hacks. Check the description for the BrainBoost download link. It's free, lightweight, and ready to use immediately. The future of studying isn't just about putting in hours. It's about studying smarter, not harder. Embrace these methods, trust your potential, and let's make straight A's a reality together. Share this video with a friend who's grinding toward their goals, because everyone deserves the chance to unlock their full potential. See you in the next video. Peace out.